Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session we will be studying another letter of Arabic alphabet that is called Meem. Meem, and the sound is second part of Meem. Okay, what are the makharij? So it has two makharij. It is pronounced with the lips, from the lips, closing the lips, Meem, and similarly that's the shafatan, and similarly it has al-khayshum, the nasal passage as well, when it is pronounced as a ghunna, with ghunna. So that's, you have to close the lips and the sound, the A goes through the nose. Okay, let's see. So the lips, we close the lips, Meem, and same time we have the sound coming from the ghunna. Ghunna is the property of two letters, Meem and Noon. So if you hear someone who has been giving ghunna to every other letters, that is wrong, because we see some people, they recite Quran and everything comes from the nose. That's wrong, because the ghunna is the property of only two letters, that's Meem and Noon. Okay, so that's al-khayshum. Next one is, okay, so is it a heavy or light letter? It is one of the light letters, because when we are pronouncing it, then our mouth or the lips remain flat. For example, Meem, Meem, Meem. Okay, so it's one of the light letters. So is it a connector or non-connector? It is a connector, because it, if you see its connecting forms, that fulfills the condition of a connector. For example, if you see, if you have Meem in the middle, in the beginning of a word, then you can connect other letters with it after it, and if you have it in the middle, then you can have other letters with, before it or after it. Okay, if you have it at the end of a word, then you can have other letters before it. Okay, which these are the properties of a connector, so hence it is a connector. Okay, so how it is written? It is written single stroke. Okay, and stroke begins at the left above the line, so the top part above the line, and makes the rounded triangle. Okay, as you see, that's the right triangle, rounded triangle, and goes below, so the next part is below the line. Let's try that one. This. Okay, so if you connect this part or not, then both of them. Okay, so connected and connected Meem. And other forms, so in this one we started from here and went up there, but in this one we have to see, we start from below and then go up. So that's if it's in connecting, if it's in the beginning of a word, in the middle, okay, and at the end. Okay, or you can write it like this as well. Okay, so we can connect them. Okay, start like this. Okay, so that's the writing of Meem. English equivalent, so it has English equivalent. The sound of sound is equivalent to Meem in Arabic. For transliteration purposes, we will be using M to represent Meem. And this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.